Hi, back again with some case law. The Sanlam Labour Appeal Court case, Sanlam Life Health Insurance case, really the principle here was, should the employer have done more than they did with a person who was mentally ill? And the Labour Appeal Court said you can't do anything if you don't know about it. So it's an obligation to raise your mental illness with your employer if you expect them to do something about it. So in the capacity hearing or any other particular hearing, that would be a critical aspect of it. The case was, of course, won by Sanlam because the expectation of the employer to do something was too onerous. They had done what they could do, and the Labour Appeal Court found that acceptable. Very important Labour Appeal Court authority in respect of processing mental health. Just the last tip on that, very important to start sorting out absenteeism, whether absenteeism is caused from whatever reason, sickness, illness, mental or otherwise. You need to have a process to deal with this because many organizations are finding huge problems in that regard.